What is chimerism? Multiple genetic lines explained. Imagine living inside a body that has not just one, but two or more different sets of DNA. Sounds like something out of a science fiction story, right? But in reality, this is a rare natural phenomenon called chimerism. It happens when a single person carries multiple genetic identities within their own body. This strange condition is part of the fascinating world of bizarre biology and human oddities. Chimerism occurs when two fertilized eggs, known as zygotes, fuse early in development. Instead of growing separately, they combine to form one individual with cells from both original embryos. Think of it like two puzzle pieces merging into one picture. This creates a person who is a living mosaic, with different parts of their body having different genetic codes. And like Mosaicism, which results from mutations within a single embryo, chimerism involves the merging of two separate genetic lines. A natural cause of chimerism often happens in twin pregnancies. If one twin dies early, its cells can be absorbed by the surviving twin. This process is called twin cell absorption. Sometimes, this leads to a person having two different DNA profiles, which can show up as unusual skin patches of different colors. These patches are a visible sign of chimerism and are called skin pigmentation anomalies. This specific type is called tetragametic chimerism because it involves genetic material from gametes, which are eggs and sperm. Chimerism can also happen artificially. For example, if someone receives an organ or bone marrow transplant, the donor's cells become part of their body. The person then has their original DNA and the donor's DNA living side by side. This makes them a natural chimera. Most of the time, chimerism goes unnoticed because the genetic differences are limited to certain tissues or cells. But in some cases, it can cause confusing results in medical tests or forensic investigations. In the human body, chimerism can involve blood cells, skin cells, or even reproductive cells. Reproductive cell chimerism is very rare but has been documented. Sometimes, doctors discover chimerism accidentally during genetic testing or when trying to solve medical mysteries. It's like finding a hidden layer of biology that challenges what we think about identity and individuality. From a scientific point of view, chimerism is a natural experiment in genetics. It shows how different genetic lines can coexist peacefully within one person. It can sometimes lead to strange outcomes, like two-tone skin or conflicting DNA test results. Understanding this condition is important for medicine, forensic science, and genetics because it can affect organ matching and legal identity. It also raises interesting questions about how cells from different genetic origins interact inside one body. In the end, chimerism is a remarkable biological oddity. It reveals that inside each of us, there can be multiple genetic stories happening at the same time. It's a reminder that human biology is full of surprises, and sometimes, our bodies are more complex than they seem.